Guys, today we're going to play a Brookhaven. So we're gonna play that. We're gonna play the game because I think that there's a new update in here.
Yeah,
And I have my friend right here. Hey, he's missing.
I'm right here in the silver. So guys,
Well, guys,
sabayan
I
niya
will be back. Okay, guys, so I just need something. Where's my friend? Where's him? It's this him. Oh yeah, there you are. Come in here. We are gonna go to the police car. Wait, I'm gonna grab a police car. So we're playing Brookhaven. Hey, bro, you can drive. So guys, we're gonna check out the update. So right here, guys, we have a new construction. Oops, I crashed it. So what if I go up here? What does it do? Oh, I moved this thing. I can move this thing. Wee, wee. How to lower this down? How to lower this down? I don't even know how to lower this. Oh, no, it's lowering down. Nah, bro, I don't want to test it anymore. So that's how it works. And now I'm gonna go in the police car. They're gonna check out what's inside of this place. So I think that mostly, mostly tomorrow or maybe this Saturday this will get updated. So now we're gonna pick the houses. Friend, where are you, friend? Are you in my car? Oh, she's right here in my car. So guys, if you enjoyed our video, so please like and subscribe. So you really need it. It's just to buy Robux. Because I don't even have Robux. So yeah, we're talking about Robux. So that's why I'm not in a private server because I don't have a Robux. So guys, we're gonna check this out. Wow, this is pretty good. I'm gonna try to find the safe. I'm too late for this update. Sorry guys, I'm late. And guys, I'm not a Brookhaven content creator, so I'm just testing this out. And I'm not a Brookhaven creator. I'm not a Brookhaven uploader. So Wilix is a Brookhaven uploader. Check his channel out. And this is I'm just a first. So ooh, this is actually pretty good, guys. Okay, I'm gonna just get out of this place. I'm gonna go with my job. Wait, I haven't picked up the job yet. Police. I'm the police. I go police officer. Wait, no, not this car. I want to use the Lego car. I have the Lego car. It's the Lego car. The Lego car. Ito, here it is. It's this car. Oh no. Sorry guys, it's too wrong. Oh, destroy it. It's too wrong. This bugged. Part. And now I'm going to go right in this part. I know. Oh, I'm just going FBI. I SWAT. I'm SWAT. Is there anything? Oh, someone's going to the market. He's with red. Okay, time to go in there. This is an emergency. Wait, is there any SWAT cars in here? Okay, I'm gonna bring this. Dun, dun, dun. Oh no, I'm not going up there. Going down here. Bro, how to even drive this? What are you saying, bro? Get out of the market! You're a robber! Get out of the market! Get out of the market! Get out of the market! Hey, come with me! Come with me! You're going to be interrogated! Come with me! Wait, I'm gonna just ice this up. Just so I connect. I'm just gonna top it to the... Yep, it's okay now. Then we're gonna do it. Ooh, okay, now we just arrived at the police station. I know this is a police station, but I have a town. That's how I kulong criminals. Wait, I'm just gonna ayos something. Huwag ka muna, don't babaya. I'm just gonna ayos something. Okay. Okay, I will put here television. Wait, where's the television? Oh, it's right here. Wait, I finish it. Now you have a television. But wait, I'm just gonna go up here just to ice this. So just so you wouldn't escape. If you escape, then this video ends. Gotta put another in there just so he couldn't get out. It'll be right in this part. Just so she can still get out of here, but he will get stuck. Okay, now you're going to jail. I'm going to bantay. I'm going to always watch you. So this golden gun. Oops. No, no. Okay, you're free. Come to the interrogation. Come with me. You're gonna go to the interrogation room. Hey, what are you doing? Come with me. You're gonna go to the interrogation room. Come in this part. Why are you at the market? Why are you at the market? Okay, so British French. Okay, I'm gonna send the FBI to investigate you. Okay, you're free to go. Okay, I'm gonna change stuff, guys. FBI, wait. Where's the FBI? Here. Yeah. Sheriff. Yeah, just be an agency and bro. Roblox is serious right now. I think what happened to Brookhaven? Brookhaven doesn't even have that thing, but they just added. So where's the FBI? FBI, bro. There's literally no FBI in here, bro. Ito, here. It's an FBI clothes. What happened? I'm bald. They're gonna choose us here. I'm gonna choose. I want Terrace Code. Oh, I chose this one. So yeah, I'm gonna go undercover, guys. So bro, 0 Robux, that's so weird. And now let's go down. I'm gonna go back to my house. Where's the thing? Where's that FBI car? Just got it. So yeah, I'm starting with that person right over the police officer because somebody said that he's a criminal. Wait, I'm just gonna. Or is it? So binoculars. Bro, binoculars are missing. Cheat gun. No, is it forward? Wait, I doesn't even hold it. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna leave here. You're a corrupt police officer, now you're going to jail. Guys, he's going to jail now, and thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Bye, guys.